Okay folks, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up the PlayStation 5 controller keyboard, and full disclosure, the company did send this to me in exchange for the video, but it's really easy to set up as you are about to see, and it works absolutely wonderfully. No surprises here, it does what it is supposed to do and it does it well. So here I have my PS5 controller, behind me I have the PS5 itself, and what I'm going to do to start with is just connect the keyboard to the actual controller. So what I'm going to do is just line that up. Very easily clicks into place. As you can see, it's really secure when you've done so, and it's still very comfortable to hold the controller. Now my PS5 is also turned on. On the bottom of the keyboard you can see there is the on-off switch, and also there is the Bluetooth connection button. We need to make sure we know where they are for the purposes of today's video, but also there is an audio pass-through port, so you can still use your headset while this is plugged in. And there is, as I mentioned, the charging port for USB-C. So let's go ahead and turn the controller itself on. You can see that the LED buttons do light up there, which have a pretty awesome RGB effect. And the next thing we need to do is just hold the Bluetooth button down for a moment to put this into pairing mode. And when it's in pairing mode, the LEDs on the keyboard will flash for a few seconds. So heading back over to my PS5, now that the controller, or rather the keyboard, is connected to the controller and in pairing mode, I'm going to head over to the settings, and then I'm looking for accessories. There it is, that option right there. This is so easy to do, honestly. Head over to Bluetooth accessories, and then eventually it should show up just down here. Yep, P5 plus CB. So we will select that, and now it's going to give us a code on the screen. All I'm going to do is input that code onto the number pad of the keyboard here. So in my case 293251, and then tap the enter button. And that's it, it's all connected. How simple was that? Now that is obviously a one-time process. Once we've connected the keyboard, we don't need to do that again. We just need to turn it on again when we want to use it next time, and it will stay connected to the Bluetooth unless we purposefully remove it. One thing to note as well, because this controller, or rather keep saying controller, keyboard connects via Bluetooth, you can connect this to other devices and not just your PS5. I've had this working on my computer, so if I'm using, for example, my PS5 controller to play a Steam game, then I can also connect to this keyboard and not have to use my computer keyboard when it comes to typing out whatever it is I need to type. That works fine. And now, just as an example, I've popped over to the PlayStation Network, and without any further setup required, I am able to start typing onto the keyboard, and the PlayStation picks those keyboard commands up automatically. So folks, hopefully this little tutorial has helped you get you set up and good to go with the keyboard here that connects to the PS5 controller. Thanks for watching.